Morning, my name is John Freoff. I'm a field biologist with BASF in the biology group. And today I just wanted to provide an overview of what we do at the Biology Research Farm, Beaver Crossings Research Farm. This site is located about 40 minutes west of Lincoln, Nebraska. It's been here since the mid-1980s. At this site, it's grown to 80 acres in size, and we do have access to irrigation and also dry land research that we conduct at this site. It is one of 4 research farms in the Midwest. At this site, we employ 2 full-time field biologists that take care of all the research at this site, myself and Kevin Hartman. And some of the research that we do here at this site is focused on herbicide development, fungicides, but we also do work on insecticide and also seed treatment development also. Crops that we focus on are crops that are important to our eastern or western corn belt growers and soybean growers. Corn and soybeans are prominent crops that we work with. We also do some work with soybeans. Additional crops, we also do some work with grain sorghum, sunflower, dry beans, and also we have turf on the site where we do some work with different herbicides and fungicides. So at this site, some of the grower issues that we try to develop products to provide solutions for include, on the weed control side, water hemp, Palmer amaranth, velvet leaf, annual grasses such as barnyard grass, also foxtail species. Disease side, we focus in on gray leaf spot and also on southern rust in corn. Soybeans, we have some disease pressure in terms of brown leaf spot and also frog eye leaf spot. Wheat, primary focus is on stripe rust, leaf rust, and also some tan spot from time to time. Insect pressure at the site is minimal for the most part, but we do have some opportunities to do research on grasshoppers, bean leaf beetles, and thistle caterpillars, and Japanese beetles. So I want to focus in more now on what type of research we do here. It's all small plot research, we're replicated research where we're trying to identify what these compounds can and can't do. And at this site, it ranges from compounds that we're just receiving, their early phase development, all the way up through products that are launched and are commercially available. So I just want to spend a little bit of time on the development and how that process goes within BASF, and because biology is heavily involved in that development process. So for these different active ingredients that we're developing, it starts in the lab. So what we're doing is we're using high throughput technology to screen many samples at one time to see what works and what has activity in different target pests. From there, where we identified actives that are active on different targets, we move to the greenhouse situation where we have controlled environments and we can do more specific testing, look at crop selectivity, look at some more specific weeds or pests, diseases, insects. And when we get them here in the field, we're about 3 to 4 years into the development phase, and we're really looking at broadening the pest spectrum that we're looking at, seeing what these compounds can and can't do, and also looking at crop selectivity. So we're gathering as much information as we can on these compounds to see what solutions they would provide to growers once we commercially launch them. In addition to all the development work that we do here at this site, we also support our fellow colleagues from Tech Service and our seed agronomist and do some research collaboratively with them. On the Tech Service side, we do a number of demonstration and market trial research. Those trials are there for educational purposes. So those are used to educate growers, retailers on what our product portfolio will do for them. Also, we use it for internal training. We have new materials coming along, new products that we're going to launch. We use that to train our ASAs and our business reps on the products that we have coming in the pipeline. On the seed side, every year we do variety trials in irrigated and dry land situations, just so we can see how those products perform, our soybean portfolio perform under those conditions. We also do some agronomic trials looking at planting dates and seeding rate to see what the impact of those are on yield. So overall, BASF and this Beaver Crossings Research Farm has been an integral part in the development of many of our products. In the past, we've done great research here at this site on products such as Headline, Revasol, and Genia Zidua Pro. And we're currently continuing to look at new solutions to help growers tackle those needs. And that's a great part of this job, where we're right now looking at innovation in the field and developing that and being part of that to create solutions for growers to use in the future.